Semangat Jakarta untuk Asia. Bangga dengan kemampuan kita sebagai bangsa Indonesia menjadi matahari Asia, sorotan dunia, juara sejati yang kokoh dengan tradisi, menjunjung sportivitas yang tinggi.
Semangat baru, siap menjadi sorotan dunia, semangat berbagi untuk Asian Games.
Saya gitu kuda ya.
Lompat di air dan minum dulu.
Kayaknya ini
Yang tiga ini. Yang tiga.
kapal langsung.
Dua. Waktu itu pengaruh nggak waktu itu?
Tadi itu
Pertama nih kalau ini kelewatan. Yang pertama tadi yang pakai itu tak biasa. Kira-kira bagus nggak?
Ini Asia Presiden.
How are you? Happy, alhamdulillah. Everything so far so good. 3 more days to go. So all going well. Alhamdulillah. Doing well. Happy, healthy, active. Thank you.
Jakarta is enjoying.
Enjoying very much. It is very busy, but we're happy. We're happy.
I'm very happy that the society become one in this game.
It is indeed. Yesterday was the event.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
The president and the challenger together.
I saw the main table was.
Yes, indeed.
You have to take a picture.
It goes viral. It goes viral. Alhamdulillah. Benar.
Pak, saya temani.
Escorting through the stadium.
Halo.
Thank you, welcome.
Fly
I'm Anies Baswedan.
Yes, I'm
Jakarta.
Susan Seven.
Pleasure meeting you.
Very big pleasure on my side. Thank you very much.
And we thank you for your help.
Oh, well,
Assistance.
I'm honored.
Thank you. How long
Thank
have
you so
been
much.
helping us in this process?
1.5 years.
1.5 years.
I
Thank
came
you
here
so
for the
much.
first time in May 2017. Right? It's a long time.
Wow. 6 times. Good, because we have been hearing very positive comments
No, it's
for what's been going
thanks
on.
to
So everybody.
everybody here and
Great work.
the ministry and the quarantine department and all the people who helped to set this up.
Very
But
happy.
it was an excellent team, and Mr. Bambang has been support of this from the beginning. You know, it brought it all together. Because you need to have somebody with a vision and with some power to put it through, and then it can work. So we are very honored that you made it. This was really, really
when I came
great.
here, I think it was last month.
Things look very different,
It
right?
looks very different today.
Yes.
Things improving. Now we inherited this excellent facility, and hopefully.
And you need to
we'll
do
have-
something with it.
Yes, exactly.
Soon
That's what
we
we're
need to
trying
make a master plan
Yes,
as to how
master
to move
plan.
forward.
How to move forward, how to utilize it, so that
World-class athletes here, as you can see,
yeah, huge.
especially this one.
Dewan Kesehatan Hewan. Iya, Pak.
We will escort you and take you for
We'll follow the protocol.
visits, follow the protocol until you all clean your hands.
Yeah.
And you are not coming from some other horse stables, right? That's true. So as you can see here, each kind will have guidelines.
Lihat yang Indonesia, Bro.
Oh, thank you. Can we take a picture together?
Yeah, sure.
This is Laras's. This is Diamond Boy.
This is Diamond Boy.
And this is Larasati Stars. Kalitza.
Larasati. How old is he?
He's 17 years old. And she's 11. The professor. Yeah. Professor.
Why? Thinking horse?
Because he's like a Grand Prix horse. So his level is really high. His teacher is like, nah, I don't understand either.
We call it schoolmaster, right?
For school, yeah.
Yeah.
Professor.
Professor.
Professor. Yeah.
Ini tadi jumping
That's the
final Pak,
super-
yang masuk final Pak, yang kanan ini Dresas Pak. Boleh Pak. Tunggal saat.
Very, very
Bagus.
Tunggang serasi. Iya. Iya, nari-nari. Tinggalnya di mana sekarang?
Stuttgart.
Suhunya berapa rata-rata? Turun.
Just as well. It was a good acclimatization. And sometimes it goes all the way down to -2. Over here is really
Bagus.
I joined Laras and we were training and qualifying for competitions all the way up.
You immediately the horse get along.
No, I had to learn
You had to
how to
learn
ride
how.
him. Yes, I had to earn his respect and all. Totally new place, and he was like, "It's okay, I've got you." Confidence booster.
Even a horse is
Kita naik dalam keadaan karena dari jari kita, dari movement kita.
They feel from the aura. Very, very special. And they are so sensitive.
what's the weight is? About 900 kilos.
Tingginya berapa?
Kathy, how many
173.
kilo do you think he is?
It's about
And then she came in to join Laras in July. Yeah? Yeah? She's a little bit more sensitive than him. But she's younger too, so she's 11 years old.
11 years.
Gak makan dia itu.
Minta wortel.
Itu
Ambilin wortel.
Nah, itu lagi diambil.
Oh lah.
kasihnya gini Pak.
tahap betul.
Kasihnya kelapa.
Ya.
Beautiful. Nanti kembali ke. Oh, jalan.
jealous ya. Ini seperti vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Wah, rakus. Yang ini rakus. Iya. Pak Rafiq gimana?
Kalisa.
How many horses do we have in the Indonesian?
So here, bilang dokter masih di sini.
Massage. Where are you based?
Bebas salah.
Yeah.
False free, false free, false free. They have time for rest.
Do they also experience jet lag? They do. Saya tanya mereka ada jet lag nggak? Nah iya, udah. Ya, they do experience jet lag. So the plane is actually specifically designed.
One container, 3 horses. Jadi per container 3 horses. Ini masukin kargo ya.
They don't mind being touched.
Coffee.
The ice is being taken out.
Ini yang dari karantina.
Start bringing the medals back home from now on.
Yes, we
Definitely,
hope so.
definitely.
At least we got to the top. Masih banyak ibu. Ibu nama? Ibu sehari-hari di mana? Alhamdulillah ya. Thank you.
Base-nya di mana?
Terima kasih.
Di
Ya, di Ragunan. Waalaikumsalam.
Finally,
This is the man.
finally finish Pak. Alhamdulillah.
Mantap ini Pak.
Bertahun-tahun kita Pak.
Kita punya one of the best di Palembang di Abu dunia. Hingga kita senang sekali prestasinya kita bangun lagi. Kemudian kerja sama negara antara Timur Tengah sama seluruh Asia, mungkin kita bisa satukan lagi. Ya, kebetulan leadernya semua kan sama, jadi kalau kita meeting mungkin lebih nyaman.
Kita percaya diri kalau nunjukin sekarang.
Ya. Dan mereka senang sekali ke sini.
Gitu ya.
Dia puas sekali sekarang ke sini. Walaupun kita dengan segala sesuatu yang minim dan last minute, dengan bantuan Ibu Susan, dengan dari karantina, dari KPKP, semua bekerja keras dan akhirnya kita bisa sama-sama EU disamakan. Mudah-mudahan bisa berlanjut, Pak.
Setara, Pak, istilahnya tempat
Izin Pak, ke depan mungkin bisa dibantu lagi Pak kita. Karena ini kan harus berlanjut kalau bisa supaya kita jangan cuma tanggal.
Sekarang kan masih temporer, Pak.
Ini juga kita pakai prosedur karantina.
Ya. Udah sekali tahu caranya kan lebih mudah ya.
Ya, teman-teman di departemen dari DKPKP juga udah biasa kebetulan. Dari dokter Susannya juga udah tinggal continue lapor lagi aja ya.
Desember lah ya.
Mungkin nanti
ambil gambar itu kudanya kan sama tulisan tim Indonesia. Tadi berapa, Pak?
sudah kita yang bertanding 4 yang yang sekarang ini yang dari Indonesia 2, dari Belanda 2. Ya dari Belanda 1 yang big boss.
Hopefully we come back and help you with that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Janti. Ini nomor 3 Pak tadi Pak.
This we have just interview and
This is the governor of Jakarta.
here in Indonesia. I saw you when you were jumping.
Inshallah, next time we visit.
Come again, yeah?
Come again.
Inshallah.
Yes.
And maybe you can invite us later on to any competition in.
Inshallah.
Do you often have a competition in Saudi?
Yeah, now they are promoting now again. It went a bit slow. They are changing all the sports, and now with the new government, everything is changing to the good.
Yeah.
So they are picking up, and this year they're going to have one big one, and then next year they're going to have more and more. So inshallah, definitely I will send it.
Like Middle East,
Yeah.
but like Asian equestrian games.
Definitely.
Maybe they can work together with
Exactly.
all the Asia.
That would be our plan.
Pak, saya ambil kasarnya.
Ini
Enggak. Ditarik dulu. Tarik.
Ini dicampur air.
Oh, tidak, Pak, langsung dikasih.
kalau ini campur ini nggak campur air.
Sehari 6 kilo,
6 kilo tapi campur. Cuman kalau yang import kayak gini Pak. Ini antri gastro. Kalau dia ada gas, biasanya kolik khususnya ngelipet. Itu penyakit utama.
Jadi ini udah anti kembung
Ya,
ini ya.
anti kembung.
Ya.
Ya.
Kalau
yang
kolik
ini
diapain tuh?
Kalau kolik kita biasanya dicubing, masukin selang dari hidungnya, masukin air, dipompa, dikeluarin lagi semuanya. Karena dia nggak bisa bertahap, jadi kita masukin selang kira-kira 3 meteran. Selangnya soalnya panjang.
Meninggal, Pak, gara-gara
Ya itu. Terus ada musnya, ini Pak. Ini Pak.
Iya, Pak Rafiq ya. Bisa
Nggak usah dibawa, nggak usah dibawa.
Yang mati ya gara-gara kolik itu. Iya, itu penyakit di Indonesia makan ternak biasanya ada aja biasanya. Protein karena biasa ngitung untuk kambing sama ikan. Ini beda-beda. Kalau ini energi udah energinya lebih besar. Ini juga produksi di Surabaya Pak. Ya. Nah jadi yang jangan kita sekarang pakai dedek sama karena kalau dedek itu kalau paling banyak itu sapi kita, kuda kita tuh rata-rata semuanya bengkokan karena diserap sama kalsiumnya duluan namanya. Wah. Cek klinik. Kalau ada kuda lagi sakit, kita rawat di Ini kuda gini Pak modelnya Pak. Ini Pak yang kuda Pak. Jadi sebelum terbang jauh biasanya dikasih supaya kadang-kadang dia habis latihan itu capek terus darahnya kental. Jadi kita kasih hidrokoneser dikasih kondisi.
hari atasemen Kavaleri Berkuda, Pak.
Kavaleri Berkuda
Bandung
sama nih ya Pak.
Ya, ini dari UGM, dosen.
Sardi,
Yang fan service manajernya.
terus Dr.
Di Tarompong, saya Kelapa Dua.
Kelihatan kan? Pas lagi nyuntiknya ya.
Jadi yang beda ini 10 liter ini kira-kira sejam. Kalau manusia kan hampir 12 jam.
Kantong
Karena kan diameter
diberi apa nih sekarang? Apa?
NaCl, normal salin, natrium.
Tambah cairan aja Pak ya?
Iya.
Elektrolit.
Iya, macam begitu.
Ini grupnya. Iya. Kalau ada dia percaya.
kabel tis dong dok.
Terus kabel.
Bro,
Kita kan netes Pak. Dia
Bro,
ngerocok.
Kadang kurang cepat dipompa.
Nama sportnya Pak? Equestrian sports.
Yes, equestrian sports, yeah. Well, it's a luxury place for them to come to in terms of everything that's here. They don't get this in many other facilities, and certainly not at a games that would be permanent. This would be very, very special for these riders to come and bring their horses to this. And you know, these are multi-million-dollar horses.
That's true.
And they like the best, but they don't always get it. But here is the best.
And their response about the facility is also good.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. So you can't do any better than what's offered here. I've been to many different games all around the world, Olympics, and this equals and in the Southern Hemisphere betters anything else that is available out there for major equestrian competitions.
Even in Australia.
Oh yeah, we don't have anything like this.
Ah, okay.
Nothing. Like
Good. So we have a good legacy, Pak. Then we really have to
Maintain.
capitalize. Yes. We truly great use out of this one.
Yes.
Because we have put a lot of investment on this.
Yes, I know.
And we do hope, in many years to come, we'll see yield coming in from various different events. I visited some of the stables over there, look at the horses, and it's a great facility. For me, it's completely new.
Yes, it's very different.
This is not my
This
department.
is an athlete's village that is here. Yeah, this is like an athlete's village. And when you hold in the games like this, we have two athletes. Yeah, we have the riders, and then we have the horses. So we have to build a hospital for the horses. We have to build accommodation for the people who look after the horses.
That's true.
So you double up with equestrian. It's very complicated.
There's a hotel there, and there's also a stable.
Oh yeah.
It's a dormitory.
And so that presents unique challenges, and getting these horses here in and out is also tricky. But these horses have very impressive passports. They travel all over the world, more than most people will ever travel in their life. You look in their passports of the countries they go to, week in, month out. So they're used to this, but to come to a premium facility like this, where everything is provided, it's quality, then they can leave here very healthy, very rested. It's like going to a resort.
Right.
And then they can go to their next competition and be very, very fresh. So no, they don't have to recover from this. This is just like normal day for them. Yeah. So it's like staying in a 5-star hotel.
We do hope, their experience here will spread the word of mouth, among all the owners, the athletes, managers about this facility, and hopefully we can invite them easily.
That would be good.
Promote our facilities for
And then
around the world.
we need to get the more permanent status of our
EDFC.
EDFC. Anyway, sir, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good. Thank you for coming and visiting my team. But you know, these guys and the vets, they've been here 24 hours a day.
These are people, you all were those who works behind the scene. We saw what is going on right out there at the court. Behind the scene, hundreds of people, all of you. Thank you so much.
Terima kasih. Kita nanti mengembalikan kuda-kuda ini ke bandara.
And mereka mulai berangkat hari ini.
Ada beberapa tahun ini besok pagi berangkat, besoknya sampai tanggal 2.
So they do have their own passport ya? Punya paspor khusus ya? Special passport.
Paspor kuda.
Paspor kuda.
Paspor kuda.
Ini paspor kuda. Ini paspor kuda.
Iya. Ini nomornya, ini nama.
Ini paspor.
Ini ada microchip nomornya. Nomor microchip.
Keturunannya juga.
Terus ini cap-capnya.
Ini
visa. Ini nama pemilik.
Visa.
Ya. Ini
this one
kompetisi yang sudah jalan.
This is where this horse has been, yeah. So here in France, here in Denmark, here in Switzerland, here in Germany, back again. This is in France. Look, this horse goes everywhere. Okay, everywhere. And then here, last one. This is my signature.
That's what matters. This is
Jadi ini tergabung di FEI, Federasi Equestrian Internasional. Beberapa juga disiapkan untuk di event ini.
Jadi ini it's like a stamp in the immigration, yeah?
Exactly. I have to stamp its immigration, and we check it all, and we check its identity, and it continues.
Ada silsilah juga di dalam.
Ada. Ini paspor asli dari asal kudanya.
Amazing, yeah? The public needs to know more about this.
They do. Yeah. They do. It's a very, very interesting part of what happens. Yeah. As I said, these are athletes. You have 2 athletes for this competition, and the only competition where women compete against men on equal footing. Yeah?
No gender,
No gender, just competition.
The name is Desert Storm.
Desert Storm.
Like operation.
Ini juga ada silsilahnya, siapa anaknya, siapa kakeknya.
Bloodline.
Ini the bloodline.
Atau puak. Kita aja mungkin nggak tahu ya.
Yeah, you need to check your grandmother.
I don't know what the name.
Ini marking kudanya, jadi setiap kuda ada tanda yang berbeda.
Tanda-tanda khusus ya?
Ya.
Yeah.
Tidak bisa tertukar.
Dan digital ini semua ya?
You know what I also admire? There's so much investment on science. It is time for us to appreciate more the complex work behind all of these sports.
Well, in here is the best equipment. We have digital X-rays and ultrasound, so we can do any imaging, diagnostic imaging for the horses here. That's all been invested by Indonesia in this facility.
So how was so far? Was there any incidents?
No, small incidents, little cuts and a bit of sickness, just through fever, shipping fever, but no problem. They're all very well. Every horse competed. So that's our goal, and every horse so far is home very safe. And they all will be out of here on by the 2nd, so all the horses will be gone by the 2nd.
We're very happy, very honored, proud. Again, terima kasih Pak.
Okay, terima
Thank you
kasih.
again, sir. I hopefully you come back to Jakarta again.
Well, many times, yes, I'd love to.
Jakarta treats you well. Sekarang saya nyobain ini. Do they sleep on the way? When they're on the flight? Mungkin Indonesia muncul, jadi saya berharap ini menjadi pembangkit semangat di mana-mana. Satu hal yang penting, meritokrasi. Atlet dengan potensi baik dari mana saja, asal keluarga apa saja,
harus diberikan kesempatan yang sama. Begitu prinsipnya meritokrasi, hebat muncul. Tapi bila di dalam klub-klub pengembangan itu mendasarkan pada kemampuan sosial ekonomi, hanya yang mampu yang bisa ikut klub, hanya yang punya uang, nggak akan mungkin kita punya atlet yang hebat. Atlet-atlet potensial itu dari mana saja datangnya, dan ini pelajaran penting dari hari ini bahwa atlet-atlet kita dari manapun difasilitasi dan muncul prestasi hebat.
Kalau untuk Ferry sendiri gimana nih Pak harapannya, apalagi setelah yang lama?
Mudah-mudahan kita bikin sejarah hari ini.
Bikin sejarah baru. Tapi Bapak sendiri emang suka nonton untuk equestrian sendiri Pak?
Kita merasa bangga, equestrian ini kita membangun Pemprov DKI. Pemprov DKI membangun equestrian ini, saya meresmikan bulan lalu. Dan ini adalah fasilitas kelas dunia. Bisa dibilang salah satu yang terbaik di Asia. Dan fasilitas Anda lihat tempat kandangnya dan lain-lain, ini fasilitas kelas dunia equestriannya. Jadi kita bangga ya apresiasi atletnya dan juga fasilitasnya. Tapi ujungnya fasilitas yang baik itu harus menghasilkan atlet yang baik pula.
Jadi harapan ke depannya apa Pak untuk cabang olahraga ini sendiri Pak?
Manfaatkan fasilitas kelas dunia ini. Di sini ada equestrian, nggak jauh lagi ada velodrome untuk balap sepeda. Itu juga salah satu stadion balap sepeda terbaik di dunia. Nah, sekarang kita akan mewarisi tempat itu, manfaatkan. Itu semuanya milik Pemprov. Ini harus dimanfaatkan dengan sebaik-baiknya. Saya sudah pesan pada semua, berikan kesempatan pada siapa saja yang punya potensi untuk memanfaatkan fasilitas ini. Jangan hanya mereka yang dikenal dan terkenal, tapi siapa saja punya potensi, biarkan mereka manfaatkan. Nanti pemerintah membiayai sehingga mereka potensinya tumbuh berkembang, kita juga yang bangga nantinya.
Lagi Pak, andai kata misalkan Ferry tidak bisa berhasil menyumbangkan medali apapun,
kita lihat nanti, pokoknya kita
tetap bangga ya Pak ya nanti ya.
Ya.
Terima kasih Pak Ani.